Hey folks, Andy here. You might have noticed that I've been uploading lots of videos to YouTube recently. I went to Zimbabwe last month for 4 weeks and filmed loads of different musicians. All of the recordings that we did were sort of inspired by requests from folk like you around the world supporting the website Mbira.online. Subscribers there can choose what materials, what songs, what artists, tunings, etc. we record, and all of that's getting uploaded to YouTube gradually. But there's a sort of dense period of uploading going on right now, 12 days of Mbira. We're sort of heading up to, I wanted to showcase all of the artists that I recorded and also hopefully inspire some of you to start supporting the project. On January the 1st, so when we've done the 12 days of Mbira, there's going to be a Mbira giveaway announcement. I'll be choosing at random some prize winners from the subscribers, everyone that's subscribing at any rate from $1 a month upward. On January the 1st, we'll be in with a chance of winning one of these prizes. So let's have a look at what we've got. First up, the top prize is this E-flat Mahororo tuning. So this is from Garikayi Tirikoti, and the E-flat Mahororo tuning means that the lowest note is E-flat, and it's pretty close to a major scale coming upwards from here. Typically on Mbira's, there's Nyamaropa tuning is the most popular, and the note down here would be the root note of a Mixolydian scale, which is starting on like the 5th degree of a Western major scale. But on this one, the E-flat here is the root note of a major scale, more or less. If I play from up here, you can hear it quite clearly. So we've got something quite pretty going on there, and E-flat Mahororo tuning matches up with B-flat Nyamaropa, so that's quite popular tuning that folk have got around the world. If you've got the B-flat Nyamaropa of Cosmos Magaya or the B-flat Nyamaropa of Chartwell Tiro, there's going to be some slight differences, but it's going to be just a little adjustment to match up with the intervals of the instrument you've already got. I don't know what that sound was, something else. A message coming through on another computer. Pair of Hosho. So nice Hosho from Great Zimbabwe. And then 5 albums. There's Forward Kwenda, Yan, Dubois and Shiho in Japan. The 3 of them collaborated on this album, and I can send out hard copies or digital copies for you. For the Mbira or the Hosho, the prize winner will pay postage. So to be in with a chance with winning one of these prizes, you need to be subscribing at Mbira.online. The money that you pay just for that month, if you wanted to cancel your subscription and only be in with a chance of winning, that's fine. If you continue paying, the money that you're sending is going to the musicians in Zimbabwe, where all of these recordings are coming from, through the 12 days of Mbira. And you check out my YouTube channel or go to Mbira online and you can see all of the videos there arranged in a sort of more searchable fashion. All of those musicians have been paid through the money that's come through from people supporting the project. So hopefully you'd like to be one of those if you're enjoying watching these videos. There's been some really nice things uploaded already. Gift McGuidi played his Shanje. There's a famous video recording of him in a car playing. The title of it's something like Mbira Masterpiece Live, and it's probably the most popular Mbira video on YouTube. I did another recording with him of that song. He plays a sort of basic variation. I asked him to play slow and he's still playing pretty fast, but you can press different slow motion settings on YouTube or go to the website Mbira online and you can find out more on the start page about a plugin that you can use to slow things down and transpose to match your tuning, and clip sections and loop them so you can play along. That's on the start page of the website. So Gifts is, he goes deeper into the song. It's really pretty. He plays lots of different variations and does some singing. Then what else has been popular? The Gonomombe Rerume of Forward Kwenda, that was the most requested recording that I did on my trip, so I uploaded that one first. We've got another Shanje from Jacob Mafuleni. That one's had a lot of comments come in afterwards. I think people really enjoying that. He plays, he does some singing, and then he starts whistling as well. And the energy in the room when we recorded that was amazing. Yeah, I don't want to bore you. So we got the prizes, we've got the videos that are being uploaded all through Christmas. If you a family event and you need to escape, then get onto YouTube and you'll see what else is being uploaded. We've got 3-part songs. Folk have asked for that. I'm going to be uploading that. And if you followed along on my previous sort of travel diary videos, you'd see the different musicians that I was recording, and there'll be something from each of those. What else to say? Thanks so much to everybody that is supporting the project. The money that you're sending goes to the musicians. Yes, I did use your money to pay for my trip to Zimbabwe and the recording equipment, but that has worked out cheaper than paying folk to do that. And we've got better quality content, and the content's actually arrived here. Sometimes I've paid people and it hasn't actually come. So it's been more cost effective and more enjoyable for me, and we're getting better quality content. Yeah, so I hope you want to support the project. I hope you're enjoying the videos, and to be in with the chance of winning, just head to Mbira Online. That's www.mbira.online. Choose anything from $1 a month upward, and you can be in with the chance of winning these prizes. And if you continue to support us ongoing, then your money is going towards the musicians in Zimbabwe, which every dollar is making a massive difference there. The system that people are living with is quite broken in a lot of different ways, and you can make a big difference by sending something. So thank you very much everyone for your support, and good luck to everyone taking part. Thank you. Cheers. Enjoy the music.